Welcome back to the video series Quick Marketing and Business Tips, where we are giving you actionable advice, tips and recommendations to grow your business today. This is episode number 4. I was watching the movie Pinocchio with Roberto Benigni a few days ago with my kids, and there is a very powerful message hidden in the first 2-3 minutes. The first scene shows Benigni working as a wood carver named Gepetto, and he is obviously starving. He steps outside and walks to a tavern. He's hesitant to enter inside, but he finally does. There are 3 men at the table enjoying their dinner. The owner welcomes him and asks if he wants something to eat. Gepetto does not admit that he's hungry and says he's just cold and needs to warm up. He grabs a chair and sits down next to the man's company. He says, "I'll just sit here, I won't bother you at all." Suddenly he makes noise while sitting on the chair and says, "I almost broke my leg. I was not expecting that. This chair can break at any moment." The owner says, "It's okay, this chair won't break." Gepetto responds, "This is my job. I'll just need 30 minutes to fix it for you, but it comes at a little cost." The owner says again, don't worry, it's okay." Gepetto is not giving up. He stares at the table where the 3 men are eating and shakes the table. The glasses and plates almost fell down, and he says, "This table is leaning to the right, haven't you noticed? This one is more complicated. I would need 2 days to fix it, but I can. And I'm not saying right now, I can do it tomorrow." The owner insists, "Gepetto, it's okay, don't worry." Gepetto says, "Okay, goodbye guys, see you around." But then he pretends he has a problem opening the door and says, "This door is wrecked, it will break. When you enter, it does not open. When you exit, it does not close. Look, I will fix it. I will make it like a new one for you." The owner grabs a plate and says, "Come here, you don't need to fix anything for me. Sit down." Gepetto responds, "But it will cost you almost nothing." The owner says, "Don't worry," and grabs a plate full of food for him. Gepetto says, "But I can fix it." The owner says, "Come here, sit down, eat. This is on me, otherwise you'll bring the whole place down." Gepetto says, "Okay, Moreno, but the door needs to be fixed." Moreno says, "I know. Here, grab a little bread and cheese as well." And finally, Gepetto gets to it. What can we learn from this scene? Gepetto is starving, but he's also broke. But he's not asking for charity. He is proud, but he's also a very skilled salesperson and tries to sell his expertise with style. He tries to add value to the owner. He offers to repair the chair in exchange for a little money or anything else, food in this case. He does not admit it, but he hopes that the owner would exchange food for the chair's repairing. When the first attempt fails, he's not giving up. He offers to fix the table. When the second attempt fails, he does the same. He offers to fix the door. He tries again and again. This is key. And he finally gets what he wants in the first place. When you are selling something, for example your expertise, try to add value, like Gepetto, and do it in an entertaining way, so they engage with your message. And do not give up too early. You'll never know. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about marketing a business, check out our private training workshops.